Hey dear admin, so in this video we can learn how can we create a volume offer by auto discount application. So first of all you need to install this application and go for your store. In the dashboard you can see this kind of dashboard is there. You can simply create an offer from here where you can choose a volume offer discount. Just click on the configuration, set your name, whatever the name you want to go for. So here you can set the name like buy more, save more or something. After that it is a small description which is for the internal use only. You can combine this offer with the other discount offer or automatic discount Shopify, like you can set it like order discount, product discount or shipping discount, so you can check according to your requirement. Now here is the offer, like call 1 then 10% off. This is the offer name which is displayed on the cart page and checkout. So this is the offer 10 off. Now you can select the collection by here, count any product of the collection or same product of the collection. So I choose any product, so it is look like buy bundle like that. So if user purchase 2 quantity from this collection, then that needs to be a 10% off with the collection 1. With that, if you set another one with the offer like add tire here, and you can set like call 2 then 20% off. It means like you can select the collection here by call 2 and set here like same product of the collection and set 2 quantity and percentage discount 20. Here we set it like if user purchase from call 1, then user can choose any product of the collection from the call 1 and get 2 quantity to 10% off. Another offer is like call 2 with 20% off, where user need to purchase same product of the collection, not any. Okay, so let me create an offer first. Now we already created the offer. You can set your schedule or other stuffs, like you can schedule it from here. So if you want, you can just schedule it. And now with the widget, like if you want to display the widget according to your requirement, you can just set the title, the description and the fixed amount and other stuffs. Like here, based on the color, you can set your color code as well. So you can do whatever you want to go with this widget. It will be displayed like this on the product page. Let's go for that and check it. I'm going to open the store. Here you can see slash okay, my cart is clear now, and I'm open the call 1 here, the collection 1, where it like if I purchase any two quantities from the collection, I can get 10% off. So I'm here, you can see buy 2 or 20 to get 10% off. I'm just adding this product in my cart, like you can see 1 quantity. So in this case, like you can see here, if I purchase both 1 quantity, I can get 10% off here because I choose any of the product from the collection. And now I'm going for the call 2. With the call 2, I need to purchase same product, not any. Okay, so in that case, like if I purchase 1 quantity of this and 1 quantity of this product, I cannot eligible for that offer due to the limitation in the offer, like same product with the 2 quantity to get the call 2 offer with 20% off. So like I just increase by 2 quantity, I can get the offer like here, you can see. Okay, now when I'm going for the checkout, it immediately apply the discount here in the cart when you add product to the cart. So it is not like another call to go for and apply the discount, check the cart and other stuff. So when I go for the checkout, it apply the discount same on the checkout as well, like you can see here, call 2 for this and call for this. I hope this offer works for you, and it will help you to increase your average order value by volume offer, so customer can encourage to purchase more quantities to get the discount like that. If you have any other question or concern, you can just connect with the live chat. Our live chat is here. The agent will definitely help you to set up the things. Thank you.